Okay, so we're going to make life a little bit easier for you today. I'm going to record a little video to show you precisely what happens when you connect to the studio on Riverside. So here's what we do. We've set it up so that there's a live stream that goes to YouTube, and we don't want you to sort of blip in and out and all kinds of stuff. So what we want to do is, because it's a live stream and it's a live broadcast, we want to make sure that everybody just sees the live production. That means we're going to bring you in as a participant, so basically an audience member. So you won't be able to interact except through chat, and that's why it's important for you to know what steps to take. Now, Dermot is also in the WhatsApp group, so he can explain to you how to use certain things if needs be, but this video should give you a good intro. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the link that we sent you. Right, so when you open the link, first thing it will do is it'll show you what is currently being broadcast. And then, but it's closer to live, the YouTube follows about 20 seconds later. And then it will ask you to allow sound. Now remember to click allow sound, because then you can hear things. Once you've done that, on the right hand side here, it asks you to fill in your name. So fill in your name and then go to Oh, and I see we've got another person that walked into the studio on our recording. And hi, so you might see that happen today as well, later on when you join our broadcast. But anyway, so for now, let's look at how do we enter the chat. So we're going to enter the chat and we say, hi, I am here. So Dermot, I assume, will be able to see us there, but Dermot's currently sort of playing the role of the host, and he should be able to see me there. So at some point, I must be able to say, I want to ask a question. And hi, Dermot, I want to ask you a question. No, that's not what we're going to do. We have actually a little button for that. See, request live call-in. So at the bottom it says in the middle, request live call. Okay, so just before you get confused with all the stuff on the side, remember the request live call-in in the middle. And now it's going to ask you, do you want to give access to your camera and your microphone and your headphones and everything else? Please say yes, because otherwise it will be a little bit difficult for us to be able to broadcast you. All right. Please do not add any visual effects, because it's going to cause problems with the edit afterwards. All right. So you can also go, you know what? I want to do this with the Mac app, and I can go with my Mac app, or I can do anyway. Or you can actually, if you do not have a computer ready, you can always use a mobile phone. We'll provide the mobile phone app link so you can download that as well. But anyway, but back now here. So at the moment, that is the video resolution. Now, if please select the best that your camera can offer in your camera software, because once you get here, we just take the standard that Edge has been provided by you, or that Chrome has been provided by you. All right, preferably Chrome, least amount of issues we've seen with that. So we click on continue, and then what should we call you in the call? So you can put in your name there. You can ask us a question by saying join, or I would like to join. And make sure that you select headphones if you have headphones. If not, select not using headphones, because then we need to cut out the feedback that's going to come from your speakers. So if you have headphones, like a little Bluetooth one, works really well. But you would have seen that in the guidance we sent before already. So I'm using headphones, select that or the other one, and we're going to go start live call. When we do that, producer on the side, Dermot in this case, will be able to tell us what to do. Or actually, no, he won't tell you what to do. He will just let you into the call once we announce you. So what you will see on the screen is probably going to be myself and Olga, and we're going to queue you up. So we're going to talk you up, queue you up, and when we're ready, Dermot's going to let you in, and we're going to say hi, and then we're going to disappear out of the call because Dermot's going to take us out and leave you in. So now I'm calling Dermot. He's picked up. Hi there, continuity announcer, Olga, and so forth. And then what he will do is he will disappear, or basically, in this case, the announcers will disappear, and then you will be left behind to talk to the audience. So look nicely into the camera, speak clearly, articulate well, and do it with a smile, because all of us are watching, and we'll be waving at you and laughing where you need us to, and everything will be amazing. But you'll talk to a camera for now. And then when you're done with your section, so they say thank you or anything like that, so we know you're back, and then we'll pop in one of the continuity announcements to make sure they pick up from where you left off. It's going to be the person that announced you will also be the person that comes back to you, and when that's happened, then the other person will also join the other continuity announcement, and we'll have a little bit of a chat, and we'll fade you out again, and they will stay in. So, Dermot, if you could kick me out. There we go. And then automatically you will go back to being in the chat again. Now remember, the broadcast mode where you can watch. So just remember when you're online and you've done that, you need to stay on a little bit, because at the bottom left, it tells you if you finished uploading your recording. Please make sure that it finishes uploading before you leave the browser. So then we can have the video, because the video is recorded locally on your computer with the highest possible resolution, so we can get amazing quality also afterwards for YouTube and snipping it up for your association. Anyway, hope you have a great day. We look forward to seeing you this afternoon, and don't do anything I won't do on a bicycle at 100 miles an hour till then, and make it a great professional speaker celebration day. Bye.